Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to comment GIF on TikTok. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you put there, just make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any comment section and you will find this comment section for video and then tap the emoji icon. And if GIF is available or enabled for your account, you will be able to see, select and post GIF. If it's not, then you will not be able to post that. So I'm sorry, as in my country, TikTok doesn't allow me to post any GIFs, so I can't post it, but you can always try to update your TikTok. Like you have to go to your Play Store and search for TikTok and update it to the newest version. And update it to the newest version. And you can go to the TikTok video you want to comment and open the comment section and try then to see if you can comment any GIFs in here after updating. But if your country is like me, that is not enabled for any GIFs to comment, then I'm sorry, then you can't just do that. We have to wait for the next update. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.